What's up, guys? This is Fred FP Trading Journey, and today we're gonna see what my results have been in the last few months. It's been probably 2 months since the last video I posted. I just gave up on posting videos because it was pretty. I had an obnoxious period. I've been working a lot, so I will start sharing with you guys the results I've been getting with trading. I managed to make 1K profit. So I'll show you what I did with TradingView, and we'll get to the strategy. Pretty simple and easy. So if you can remember, I started with I said I was gonna go for 10K. I started with 2K. I made something like around $200 profits. Then I updated my bank account with 7K. That brought me to 9K total account balance. You can see right here, so it was not 10K completely. And after a period of 2 months, I've managed to actually get up to $900. So it's almost $400 every month. It's not that much, but it's something that actually allows me to think that I'm actually good at trading. So I have this position right here, which is actually I'm waiting for it to close. And when this one closes over here, then probably I will take the profit right here, and it will cross a break-even point. So it would just get out. And then there's this other one position, which is actually pretty hard because I'm completely blocked in this position. It should go on to take profit right here, and then I will short it back to it. And if it goes to take profit on the short side, I will just take the profit and just try to get long again on this position. All I'm doing here is just edging on positions, so I will just try to short the positions, and if the position goes wrong in my way, I will hedge it and then just try to close the positions, always taking for myself a one-on-one risk-to-reward ratio, which grants me a 50% chance of winning every time I get into a trade. And also, by taking into consideration the idea that there's a 0.37% chance or a 0.97, I don't remember, chance that you get over 6 tricks of losing trades when you trade with a one-to-one risk-reward ratio, that will actually presume that you will probably lose all your capital if you get over a losing streak of 6 trades in a row. So what I'm actually doing here is I'm just margin trading and just using my margin to make the decisions, which is pretty easy. Overall, with a 0.4 lots, my margin is actually blocked to a $800 over here. Sorry, $1,600 over here of margin potentially required to keep the position open, and pretty much the same on the copper, which is almost $800. So you can see the account balance is stuck unless I close these positions. Obviously, I'm not losing, so I will not be closing these positions for sure. I will just be waiting for positions to close themselves. Probably this is actually going to ask me for a wait time of probably even more than 1 month, maybe 2 months. And I will take into account the idea of closing the trade to a break-even point if it just goes off. And I will see what happens, because I've been paying for the swap already a little bit too much, which is $30 over here. You can see on the US 30. And starting to pay swap also on the copper too. So this is pretty much it, guys, and it's what I've been doing with my trading. I will try to implement the dollar cost averaging position, so I will show you some live trading right here at the spot. The dollar cost averaging is pretty easy. What I do is just buy at this position, just leave the position open, and if it goes down, I will try to mediate the price of entry by just rebuying right here. Standard lot size with 0.1 or 1 lots, and that's pretty much all my trading strategy. Or otherwise, I'll just go long here, a short here, and just keep this spot where I'm losing blocked, and I will try to recoup it with a break-even point and taking more profits. So this is pretty much it, and I'll show you guys how I will be trading with dollar cost averaging. I will test it out with you. I will not be dollar cost averaging on the short side. I will just try to dollar cost average on the long side. So all I'm doing here is I'm just going long when I see a big stretch like this. I went long right here, and also right here and right here. Like, for example, you see a stretch, it's pretty easy, you go long. You see this stretch, you go long. And you see a stretch, you go long. You see another stretch, you go long. You see another stretch, you go long. You see another stretch, you go long. It's pretty easy. Obviously, this is dangerous strategy, because you could end up being in a trade for years and you can end up being in a trade for a long time. So it's up to you. To me, it's just testing and playing. I'm just having fun with trading by now. Looking forward to actually trade with a big capital. I'm looking to trade with a 10k capital in trading now, and forward in the next years, I'm looking forward to trading with 100k capital and so forth. So let's try to see if there's something we can actually dollar cost average. So I will be trying to show you guys how I can actually trade, and yeah, just give you guys the gist of it. So natural gas, I don't see any stretches right here. Probably some actions to stretch, but nobody stretched it right by now. So the only stretch I see here is on the short side is for Bitcoin, which I'm not trading on dollar cost averaging. He's already buying Bitcoins anywhere. US 30, nothing. Copper is just nothing. Crude oil is pretty much stretched situation. So I'll be happy, just for the sake of the video, to short crude oil by now with a 0.33. So I'm gonna try to short crude oil after this pretty much interesting rally right here, and I'll just go short with it. So I'm looking for a TP right here or right here. It depends. I'll just try to do my best. So let's short crude oil and see what happens. I'll set up my take profit right here. Like I'll try to take around $50 take profit. If it don't work, probably, if it doesn't work at all, probably I'll go long right here. I will block it and try to take the profit on the long side. And yeah, this is just the way it works. And that's it for today, guys. So I'll try to stay updated almost every day from Mondays to Friday with my videos. So just stay tuned. This is my strategy and my update for today, which is 12th of August, 2024. So cheers. This is FP Trading. See you in the next.